Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Angel broking account, enabled API access, and a smart API key. Once you have credentials, install the SDK for Python or Node and store the API key securely. Next, you log in programmatically with client ID and password to receive a session token. This token authorizes further calls. Make sure to record account ID and session expiry, because you will refresh tokens later to keep the connection live. Once authenticated, you use the session token in headers for all requests. This tells Angel Broking who you are and why the request is valid. Then, craft order payloads with correct fields: trading symbol, quantity, order type, price, variety. Send place order and check order status. If needed, call modify order or cancel order with order ID. Also, parse error codes and implement retries with exponential backoff, so brief rate limits or transient errors don't break your strategy. Finally, subscribe to the Smart API WebSocket for live market feeds and order updates. You need this for real-time decision-making. Persist trades in state to a database and implement automatic reconnection and token refresh so interruptions don't lose positions. Before going live, stress test in Sandbox, then deploy with small allocations to confirm behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if orders fail, check token expiry and API limits first. Refresh the token, then replay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.